Welcome to the Farmers Forecast brought to you from metjeffuk.com for August the 2nd to the 9th. Yes, we're back again with more forecasts for the farming community. At the 7-day forecast, and this is from XWeather charts, which we can see a band of rain coming in from the west as we go through the rest of Friday. This gradually moving all western districts by the afternoon, and we'll see some pretty heavy rain mixed in with that as well. It slowly then tries to move east, but then gets fragmented and moves away into Saturday, and that rain is still lingering in the southwest and across central and sort of Midlands area into Wales and back up to the North Sea. By around about 7 a.m. it's moved a little bit more further to the east, but affecting southern England and south east England, and by the time we get to the afternoon it should have cleared most districts, but more rain looks like coming in behind it. So the rest of Saturday looks like being mostly dry, with temperatures around in Cornwall 17 Celsius. The southeast could get a 21 or 22, maybe a 24. And in Scotland, around about 14 Celsius is your high by the time we get to the end of the day. So back to the weather, and what's it going to be like on Sunday? A pretty decent day in the south of England with patchy cloud, but it should remain dry. But some rain in the north, that's going to be edging its way all the time further southeast. It should, though, be mostly restricted to the north and northwest of England. The southern parts should remain dry for most of the day. Temperatures, they're going to be hitting around 22, maximum around the London area. Compare that with around 13 in the north. The winds, well, they're coming up from the southwest, a bit fresh to strong at times, especially over northern Scotland, where we could get gusts up to 47 miles per hour, maybe even a 52 over the high ground there. So to Monday, the 5th of August, with winds still coming into the southwest, that's going to lift the temperatures up, and we could see a 26 around the London area, and in the southeast, 25's quite easy. We may get even higher than that. In the southwest, you're looking at around 20 Celsius, 68, and most places actually seeing some decent temperature. Even northern Scotland could see around 20 Celsius, around 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Weather-wise, we're looking at patchy rain and hill fog in most areas. And during the afternoon, that becoming a little bit more intense as we head into Wales and southwest England. The winds, they're still coming in from the southwest, quite brisk at times. And finally on to Tuesday, we got northwesterly winds, and temperatures, well, they're going to be pegging back a little bit, but still quite high in the southeast, around 26, possibly 23, 26, and Channel Islands still quite warm down there. In Cornwall and the southwest, around about 17, but even in Scotland, we could see 1864. So yeah, a little bit cooler than we've been used to. Weather-wise, well, we've got, generally speaking, a dry day to come on Tuesday. With more rain, though, will be pushing in from the west. We'll give the extended forecast now. Right, so we have an extended forecast. This is the GFS, and it is for 12 o'clock on Wednesday the 7th of August, and we can see temperatures are recovering somewhat in the south, but still really around normal in the northern Scotland. Precipitation wise, well, we've got some rain in the northwest of England, if my computer catches up. But I think the rest of England should actually remain dry. This rain will slowly make its way southeastwards during the day, with another batch coming in, as you can see, on the southwest approaches to give parts of Wales and southwest England during Wednesday a mostly dry day, but this rain marching across Ireland, and it looks like it's going to come into the rest of Britain later. So let's go forward to next Friday, and we can see it's pretty even out with that rain now beginning to spread across England and Wales, coming from the southwest. So a pretty miserable day to come on next Friday. Temperature wise, well, we got high pressure out to the southwest, and that looks like spreading in later. So it's not going to be that cold, if you like. It's going to be quite warm in the southwest with temperatures into the 70s, maybe 75, which is around 24 Celsius, and around about 18 Celsius, 64 degrees in the north. And looking at the winds, well, they're coming in from a southwesterly or westerly point. So there you go. So pretty a mixed bag to come. We'll do more forecasts for you very soon. Weather for farmers and growers from metjeffuk.com. More weather to come very soon. But until then, whatever your weather, enjoy it.